This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your antenna on your LG TV so you can scan for channels and then get your free local channels just with this antenna. So let's go to the back of the TV and set this up. So I have my coaxial cable right here. I'm just going to plug this into the back of my TV. Your LG TV should have one of these, and then you just have to screw it on. Now, it really matters where you have your antenna placed. If you are trying to get a signal from a certain area, you're going to want to put your antenna closest to that area in your house. So, for example, you can see my antenna right here. I have one just kind of hanging by the window, and it's up higher up near the ceiling. And I'm able to get 44 channels in my area just with this kind of setup. If I have it a little bit lower to the ground, away from the window, I can only get maybe like 30. And I lose signal a lot, so if you're trying to watch like a football game or something that's free in your area, have it higher up and then closest to like maybe like a window or an exterior wall or something like that. So there's not a lot of things blocking the signal. So another thing that could be blocking your signal is the TV itself. So if you have your antenna positioned behind the TV, just a heads up, that's just like a big metal reflecting device or layer right here. And that could be blocking your signal. So I have my antenna pretty much just near the window right here. And you can look online, and there's going to be websites showing you the direction of all your different signals that are coming from. So if you're trying to get a specific signal or channel, you can orientate your channel, your antenna directly towards that. So mine is towards the north right now, and I'm trying to get Fox 11 in my area for local like football games and stuff like that. So I have mine orientated that way, and it's near the northern part of my house, near the outside, and you can also put it higher up, which will make a huge difference as well. So let's scan for channels now. So to scan for channels on your LG TV, I'm just going to go back to the home screen here, and you want to go to the channel tuner. So let's go back and wait for this to load. I'm just going to go to the home screen, go to settings right here and select this. Let's go to settings here, select it, wait for this little thing to load, and then we go to general, choose this, go to channels, go to channel tuning. Now, wait for this to come up, and you can do auto tuning. If you go to tune manually, I think you can just do antenna channels. If you go to auto tuning, I think they'll include the cable channels as well. So let's go to start. So it might take a little bit longer. Now we can see the different channels that are found. I'm going through all these different antenna channels in my area. Currently 0 are found, so that's not good. I might have to kind of fine-tune my antenna a little bit. There's a little dial I can adjust around, and sometimes if I adjust that to a certain position, I can get more channels. Also, I can plug in my device to the wallet, and I'll probably get like 30 more channels if I do that. So it looks like I only found like 9 channels so far, so not very good. And now it's going through more channels right here, but maybe I'll do that. I'm not sure which setting I have to put it to get it, you know, kind of working well. Now it's going through all the cable channels. I think I can just skip this. If you skip, some channels will not be tuned. So I don't have a cable box connected, so it's not going to matter all that much. So these are the 10 channels that were found. I only have 9, but I have 445 free channels from LG channels. So I can go to done now, and then I can go to TV guide, and I can start watching these channels that were discovered in my area. So let's go over to channels now. I think I can just go to this right here and then just check it out as well. So wait for this to come up. I should be able to just go through it now. Oh, maybe it's the wrong one here. Where's my TV guide again? Here it is. Here's my live TV channels. So we got World Pup. I'm not sure what this is, but I can go to the guide. And where's my antenna channels? So just look through here. You should be able to find your antenna channels. Here's Fox 11. This is the one I want. This will be my Packer games and 5.1 WFRV HD. So I can just select it. I should be able to go to the channel now and then start watching. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios. Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an antenna pretty much on any TV. If you have a Samsung, LG, Fire TV or something like that. I have this older Channel Master. I'm not sure from which time period this was from. Maybe like the late 90s, early 2000s or something like that. Let's go with like 2004, but I have this dial and stuff on here. Now, I can connect this to my TV, even though it's kind of older and these TVs are new, with this coaxial cable. I just need to connect it to the back of the TV. So find a location to place your antenna. If you can place it away from the back of the TV, that would probably be better because the TV will block a lot of the signal. Also, if you can have it closer to a window, that'll provide you a little bit more signals as well. More TV channels that you can get will be better. Oh shit.